guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to add a back to top button on your Wix.com website. So start by going on your website editor and then go to your home page or whatever page. It doesn't actually matter because we're adding this function to the entire website. So to add the back to top button, go over here and add an element here and then go to button, or you can go to decorative and go to arrows here. If you just want a button with a small arrow here, you can simply click on it here. And then we just need to drag it down. I'm not sure what adds it up here, but just search for it if the same thing happens to you. And add it down here in the corner where it typically appears, like this. From here, to actually make this a functioning button that takes you to the top of the website, click here the little link section here, and then go over here and click top bottom of page. From here, click top because we want the button to take you to the top, and click done. Then if you go in preview mode, we can see that this works perfectly fine, just in a sec. So if you scroll to the bottom of the website like so, and we click on the little arrow here, it's just going to take a while the first time, so just be patient. I've already clicked it once now, and it's going to take me to the top. But if I try again, you can see that the function is a bit more smooth now. It just needs to load into your website like this. And now you can see it takes me to the top every time. If you want to add the button function, because it has a little bit more options, so to speak, you can add some text that says back to top or similar. You can simply do the same process by adding element and then go to button instead and choose the button that you like. I like this design, so I'm just going to try and add this, drag it down again like so. And now we can just change the text on here and click, we can click or write to the top. And then you can also add an icon if you want. You can either have it like this so people can click, or you can have an icon as well. You can also choose not only to have an icon, so it's going to be the same as this, but let's say we want text and an icon. So like this, and then click icon and choose an arrow that goes upwards, as that's probably the most suitable. So let's search arrow here and search. And let's just add this one and click choose file. From here, you can simply click on settings as well. No, sorry, layout. On design, apologies for that, and then click customize design. That way we can make this arrow a bit bigger because it's pretty small right now. So simply click here and click icon, and then we can adjust the size here to make it a little bit more visible. Once you're happy and you have done all your design, just adjust it where you want it on the website. You can make it larger as well if you want, like this, and then we can do the same as before. Click preview, and now now we actually need to add the back to the top function as well, because I forgot that right now if I click, nothing happens compared to if I click on this one. So let's just go back to the editor here. And for some reason it put me on the product page, but just go back here again, click on it and click on the link, click top bottom of page and top, and done. And now this is how you've added a to the top button on your Wix.com website in 2 different ways. You can do the buttons however you like. You can customize it to your liking, so it suits the website and the theme. But yeah, once you apply it to your website, you need to click save and then click publish. Once you click publish, it's going to be live on your website and it's going to be on all pages. As you can see, we're on the product page. If I go to, let's say, a contact page and we do the same thing, it's going to apply because we've added it down in the footer menu. So that is pretty much how you add this button to your Wix.com website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Sorry for the little hiccup with the customization, but other than that, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.